welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really exciting video for you guys. I'm going to be doing a review and a tutorial on the Carli Bybel Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette, and I am super excited to be doing this video because I'm a huge fan of Carli, and I have owned her BH Cosmetic palette way back in the day. Like, I'm a huge fan of hers, so I'm just super happy that she collaborated with Anastasia because I love Anastasia's eyeshadow palettes. I just did a tutorial on like the soft glam palette on my channel, so yeah, they're definitely quality eyeshadows, and the fact that Carli collaborated with them, it's just like a dream because everybody knew that she would absolutely kill the collab. The colors in the palette are absolutely gorgeous, and it's definitely her aesthetic. Like, all the shades here, like, I can definitely see her using them like all the time in any tutorial. You do get a great balance between, like, you get warm tones and, you know, more cool tones, which would be like the top row. I would say the top row is more cool tones and the bottom is more warm tone. I would probably gravitate towards the bottom because that's just the shades that I would normally wear. But today for my tutorial I did use the shade Mandala because it is super pretty. It just gives me like this galaxy vibe, like the purple, and then it has like a bunch of specks of like pink and gold. Like, it's a really cool eyeshadow, so I wanted to incorporate that in today's look. The thing I noticed is you do get more shimmery shadows than matte shadows. So you have 6 matte shadows and then the rest are shimmery shadows. But I've noticed that for a few, like Aura and My Angels, like once you like press down on them, they are a little more like not wet, but like the consistency is different than like Mandala or like Libra. I don't know, I think it just comes off a little bit more pigmented. I mean, they're all super pigmented, but I just noticed the consistency between Aura and Mandala, like those shadows, like it's just different consistency. Mandala seems to be like, you know, more pressed, and then like Aura and My Angels, it just seems to be more what would you call it? It seems like a wet eyeshadow, if that makes any sense. But yeah, I don't know if that's just my palette or if that's something you guys noticed in your palette, but that's something I noticed. Apart from that, I love all the names in the palette. They're super cute. I know she explained in her video that each of them are obviously like personal meanings to her. I just think she did an amazing job with this. I definitely feel like it's something great to have in your collection, especially if you're a fan of Carli. I feel like I would most definitely be using the bottom row for like everyday looks, and then the top row if I want to experiment more or, you know, just do more bolder looks. I would definitely be using the top row. So I'm going to quickly just show you guys some swatches of the eyeshadows to give you guys a better idea of what each color looks like up close. Super excited to show you guys how I did my look using the palette, so if you want to see that, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so to get started, I'm going to be taking the shade called Chai, and I'm going to be placing that all over my eyelid. It is my crease color, but I do want to blend it a little bit over my eyelid just to add some extra color for the rest of my eyeshadows. As you can see, this shadow is super pigmented. I just love how softly it blended onto my eyelid, you guys. It just went on super smoothly. Okay, the next shadow I'm going to be using is called Aura. This one's going to go right in the center of my eyelid. I'm just blending that out with my finger because I feel like the pigmentation did come out a lot better. So next, I'm just going to be using this flat eyeshadow brush. I'm going to make sure to just spray a little bit with my Mario Badescu spray just to give the eyeshadow extra pigmentation. And I am going to be using the shade Mandala. This shade is going to go all over my eye, right on top of Aura. And I couldn't decide whether I wanted to use Mandala or Aura on my eyelid, so I just decided to mix them. I feel like Mandala gives off more of a purple blue effect, where Aura is just a lot more pink, like a vibrant pink, so I thought mixing them would be really nice. Here I'm just quickly going to make sure everything is blended. I'm going to blend it all out with my fluffy brush. Okay, next I'm just going to take another flat eyeshadow brush and I'm going to be taking the shade in Chai. This is going to go on my lower lash line. I do like to do this step just to tie in my whole look. Okay, and now for highlight, I am going to be taking the shade called My Angels. This is going to go in the inner corners of my eyes, just to brighten up my whole look. And then for eyeliner, I am using my Wet n Wild Mega Liner. I'm just going to quickly line my eyes. Alright, and after I've applied my mascara, I'm going to move on to my lips. I'm just going to use my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Abu Dhabi. Alright guys, and to finish off the look, I'm just going to quickly highlight my nose and my cheekbones. I am going to use a shade called Moo. This is perfect for like more of a subtle highlight. I think it looks super nice on the skin. Okay guys, so after I've done that, this is my completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye guys.